It was a busy weekend of club GAA action, and here are 5 highlights. Éine Okunkor's rasper for an Ghaeltacht. An Ghaeltacht are Munster intermediate club football champions after a 2-12 to 1-8 victory over Cork side Bullock. The sides were level 2-3 to 1-6 at half-time, but Fergal O'Shea's side had played into a strong breeze, with their goals coming from O'Crahor and Cathal O'Beugly. They kicked a pair of orange flags in the second half and won out by 2-12 to 1-8 to book their place in the All-Ireland semi-final against either Sallins or Tubberclare. Ballymacalligot cruise to Munster junior glory. There was more glory for Kerry sides in the junior competition, with Ballymacalligot overcoming Cork's Buttevant by 3-12 to 8 points. Buttevant got off to a dream start and led by 4 points to no score in the early stages, but Ballymacalligot got in for a sloppy goal in the 25th minute through Donald Daly.
Back with Walsh again to Anthony O'Neill, slips, Brian has it, big mistake, can Ballymac punish, gonna shoot for a goal, they've got the goal, Donald Daly!
They scored 2 further goals in the second half through a penalty from Jack Joy and another from Marcin McIvergan to seal their victory, booking their place in the All-Ireland semi-final. Paul Murphy lifts the Tommy Murphy Cup, named after his father. Danesfort are Leinster intermediate champions after a 2-15 to 12 points victory over Ratoath in Park Tailteann. The home side got off to a dream start with the breeze at their backs and led by 9 points to 3 at half-time. But second half substitute and Kilkenny legend Richie Hogan turned the game, scoring 1-1, including a goal that put them 3 points clear and inspired them to victory. Kilkenny All-Ireland winner and 4-time All-Star Paul Murphy lifted the cup, which was named after his father, in an emotional triumph for him.
To see lads dig it out in the second half, see Richie coming on, scoring 1-1 or whatever it was, everybody just dug it out, but the feeling at the final whistle there, it's probably the best day I've had in hurling field, to be honest. It's unbelievable.
Davidstown Courtnacoody keep up Wexford's winning streak. Davidstown Courtnacoody were crowned Leinster junior champions after a 3-12 to 11 points victory over Clane in Hawkfield. James Doyle scored their first goal, finishing calmly to the net, before their former county man, David Dunn, struck 2 further goals in the 19th and 24th minutes. They kicked on in the second half and won out by 10 points to book their place in the All-Ireland semi-finals. Brian Bruce tastes Munster junior glory. A player of the match performance from speedster corner forward Shona Lang helped Tipperary side Brian Bruce to Munster junior glory. They defeated Youghal by 2-8 to 1-5 in Ballyporeen, with Lang scoring one of their goals and setting up the other for Alana English. Keep up to date with all the club action in the Irish Independent.